The sentencing hearing for Josh Duggar in his child pornography case has been postponed. Judge Timothy L. Brooks of the Western District of Arkansas Federal Court granted Duggar's motion to postpone his sentencing hearing, which was set for April 5, according to People. The new date for the 34-year-old has been set for May 25. According to court documents acquired by People on March 18, Duggar's legal team requested that his conviction be postponed for about 30 days. The memo notes that the defense would benefit from a brief continuance to allow additional time to pursue further information and documents. Additionally, because to certain reasonable COVID-19 procedures reasonably imposed at the jail where Duggar is being held, scheduling meetings with Duggar has been more difficult than at other times, the record reads. Finally, while defense counsel can and would be available for the current sentencing date, certain scheduling concerns arising from unrelated matters would be more easily resolved if the sought continuance were granted. In April 2021, Duggar was arrested for receiving and possessing child pornography. He was found guilty of 2 counts of knowingly obtaining and possessing the material in December. For the offense, he may face up to 20 years in prison and a fine of up to $250,000. The sentencing phase, according to Clay Folks, acting United States Attorney for the Western District of Arkansas, is an elaborate process, guided by a number of rules that can take months, according to officials. Most significantly, probation officers will compile a pre-sentence report. Duggar's punishment will be handed down by Judge Brooks, who presided over the 2-week trial. Many of Duggar's family members, including his sister Jill Duggar Dillard and her husband Derek Dillard, expressed their shock at the news. "Today was terrible for our family, and our hearts go out to the victims of child abuse or exploitation of any kind," the Dillard family said in a statement on their website. "We are grateful for law enforcement's hard work, especially detectives, forensic analysts, prosecutors, and all others engaged who preserve children and hold those guilty for their abuse accountable," their joint statement added. Nobody is exempt from the law. It applies to everyone, regardless of their income, status, affiliations, gender, ethnicity, or other factors. The voters of Arkansas's Western District made that apparent in their verdict today. The reality show that made them all famous was terminated in 2015 when a 2006 police investigation revealed he had been probed for assaulting the 4 younger girls when he was a kid and teenager, and Duggar's conviction was merely the latest in a series of personal scandals that shook his family. Duggar later admitted to having a pornography addiction and being unfaithful in his marriage later in 2015. After his imprisonment on child pornography charges, Counting On, a spin-off of 19 Kids and Counting that followed his siblings, was cancelled. If you like the video, you must subscribe. Everyone will be fine, stay healthy. Thank you so much for watching the video.